Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on Android phones. People use their phones to watch videos, live streams, listen to music, chat online, etc., enriching their daily lives. All these apps on Android phones require an internet connection, whether Wi-Fi or cellular data. However, cellular data is limited, so Wi-Fi is often the first choice. But sometimes, you might encounter the problem of your Android phone saying connected to Wi-Fi but no internet. If your Android phone is experiencing this problem, don't worry, this video will help you solve it. Please watch patiently and try the Wi-Fi connected but not internet access fix on your Android phone. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. When your Android phone shows Wi-Fi connected but no internet, you'll want to know why this is happening. In the following description, we will tell you the reasons. 1. Router problems. The router running for too long or malfunctioning may cause the Wi-Fi is connected but no internet connection issue on your Android phone. 2. Distance. If you are too far from the router or there are walls in between, the Wi-Fi signal may be affected. 3. Expired network. Your network may have expired, leading to your Android phone being connected to Wi-Fi but having no internet access. The following methods can help troubleshoot and fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue on your Android phone. These methods are effective solutions we have compiled, so you can try them with confidence. If it doesn't work the first time, please be patient and try a few more times. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment telling us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1. Move closer to the router. When your Android phone is connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet access, you should first try moving your phone closer to the router. If the phone is too far from the router or there are multiple walls in between, the Wi-Fi signal may be affected, resulting in the Android phone connecting to Wi-Fi but saying no internet access. So, please try moving your phone closer to the router and then test if the network is working normally. Method 2. Turn Wi-Fi off and on again. Sometimes, reconnecting to Wi-Fi can also fix the Android Wi-Fi connected but not internet issue. To rule out this possibility, please try turning Wi-Fi off and then turning it back on and reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Please follow these steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel, then find the Wi-Fi icon and tap it to turn off Wi-Fi. Wait 1 minute, then tap the Wi-Fi icon again to turn Wi-Fi back on. After turning it on, try connecting to Wi-Fi again. Once successfully connected, test the network again to see if it's working properly. Method 3 is to check if airplane mode is enabled. If you have just gotten off a plane or have enabled airplane mode, your Android phone may show Wi-Fi connected, no internet due to airplane mode. Therefore, you need to check if airplane mode is enabled on your phone. If it is, turn it off immediately and then try using the Wi-Fi function normally again. Method 4 is to hard reset the device. When a software malfunction occurs on your Android phone, and this malfunction happens to affect the Wi-Fi function, the problem of Android has a Wi-Fi connection but no internet access may also occur. To clear this malfunction, a hard reset can help. A hard reset not only clears the malfunction but also allows your Android device to run in optimal condition. Therefore, please try a hard reset according to the steps below. You need to press and hold the key combination for a forced restart of your phone. The key combination for a forced restart on the Samsung phone in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Press and hold the key combination for a forced restart of your phone for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons, and your phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for your Android phone to restart completely, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and check if the internet is working properly. Method 5 is to restart the router. Long-term operation of the router can also lead to Wi-Fi connection alive but apps say no internet, as the router may malfunction due to prolonged operation. Fortunately, these malfunctions are usually easy to fix, you just need to restart the router. To restart the router, you can find the reset button on the router or restart it from the application. If your router doesn't have this option, you can also unplug the router's power cord directly and wait at least 5 minutes. Then plug the power back in. Finally, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test whether the Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android phone problem is resolved. Method 6 is to reset network settings. Android phones save connected networks to help with your connection and usage. However, improper network settings configuration can lead to various problems, including Wi-Fi is not working on my Android phone but working on other devices. Resetting network settings can help clear these suspicious issues, so please follow these steps to reset your network settings. The phone shown in the video is a Samsung phone. 1. On the home screen, tap Settings. 2. Swipe up on the screen to find and tap General Management. 3. Find and tap Reset. 4. On the screen, find Reset Network Settings. 5. Select the SIM card you want to reset, then tap Restore Default Settings. After that, the network on your Android device will be reset, and the problem of some apps say no internet connection on Android with Wi-Fi connected will be solved. Method 7 is factory reset. If resetting network settings doesn't work, then a factory reset is the last resort to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android phone problem. However, a factory reset will delete all content and settings stored on your phone. If you have important data on your phone, be sure to back it up beforehand so you can restore your Android phone data afterward. Here are the steps to perform a factory reset on Android. First, tap your phone settings, then find and tap General Management. In the General Management interface, find the Reset option, tap the Reset option, then find and tap Factory Data Reset, and then confirm again. At this point, your Android phone should automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the phone to restart. Once completed, turn on Wi-Fi, select your network, and then try reconnecting and testing if the network is working properly. Method 8 is to contact your network service provider. If other devices are also unable to use the network properly, the problem may be with your network service provider. In this case, we recommend that you contact their customer service to help you further check and resolve the Android phone says connected to Wi-Fi but no internet problem. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like, share, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think there are areas where we can improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.